Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I am finally putting my patio makeover up for you guys. I am so excited to share with you the process of how I made over this whole entire area. This is the before of my little patio outside. It's not a huge space, but it definitely works and it's big enough for what I need. So the first thing that we are going to do is hang the string lights. I did have my dad help me with this, so thank you so much. I appreciate his help so much. I will be leaving a link to the exact string lights that I got, along with a bunch of other links for items that I will be sharing in today's video. I did get my string lights from Lowe's. They are 48 feet, which fit perfect in the area that I was putting them up in. The way we installed the lights was very simple and took under an hour. We went ahead and grabbed some screw hooks from Lowe's. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys on the screen. Feel free to take a screenshot so you guys know exactly what size I got. We got them from Lowe's and they were really inexpensive. So once we have the little hole drilled, we're just going to screw that in. And then we are going to actually take some zip ties. It is very, very windy here in Colorado. So we wanted to make sure and put some zip ties on there so that the lights would be really secure, especially the nights that got really windy. I would definitely recommend doing this, even if you live in an area that isn't super windy. It just adds that extra layer of protection to make sure that the lights do not swing or anything like that. So once we had them all hung up, it was time to turn them on, which was my favorite part. I absolutely love the way that they look. It makes it so bright in this area and perfect for having gatherings outside. I absolutely love them. Next up, I'm going to pot my little palm that I got. I did get this from Lowe's. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put some potting soil, and then I'm going to put some water at the bottom as well before we fill it up anymore. My mom did help me with this because she has a very green thumb compared to what I have. I'm hoping that I can keep this little guy alive. I've had it now for a couple weeks since filming this, and it seems to still be doing pretty good. I have brought it in a few times just because it is so windy sometimes here that the leaves get a beating, and I don't want it to die because I would like for this to thrive and hopefully do really well, since this is my first plant that I've ever had. I did get the actual pot from Lowe's as well, and I will try to link that for you guys. A lot of you have asked me over on my Instagram where I got that pot from, because I have put it a little bit on my Instagram stories. I haven't really shown you guys much of my patio area because I did want it to be a surprise, but you guys have seen a few things. Next thing I'm going to do is switch out the cushions on my chair. This is a very simple change, but I feel like it totally ties the whole entire look that I was going for. These were actually on sale at Target. My chairs are from Target as well, which I will have linked along with the cushions. The cushions that I got were actually on sale at Target when I went, so I believe these were around $12. Everything that I'm going to be putting on top of the table is also from Target. I just got some succulents, a little plant, and then this cute little vase that I'm eventually going to put a candle in. I have not gotten one yet, but we will get there. The next step in this patio makeover is to take everything off of this patio area so I can go ahead and sweep any debris off that has come onto here, because we are going to be putting a rug down, which is my favorite part of this whole entire makeover. I did also get a new fire pit cover from Amazon because my other one was very, very cheap and thin and it was ripping everywhere. The one that it came with was just not good quality, so I went ahead and got a new one and really love the quality of it. I have gotten so many questions on my fire pit. And unfortunately, I cannot link the exact fire pit because I got it at Target over 2 years ago and they don't have the exact one anymore. But I will try to link a similar one in the description box if I can find one. It's a great size for smaller areas. I didn't want to get a bigger one just because it was going to take up so much space. The other nice thing is that since it is smaller, we can bring other chairs out into the patio area if I do have more people over. Next up, we are putting down the rug. I am absolutely in love with the rug. This actually is reversible, so you can put it on the other side if you wanted to. The rug is from Amazon and it is a plastic material, which I absolutely love. It is going to be great for the weather here in Colorado. It can withstand any rain, and even if I leave it out there during the winter time, I'm sure it would do great in the snow as well, just because nothing's going to be able to seep into it since it is plastic. So I'd highly recommend this rug if you have been looking for a great outdoor rug. I did get this in the 5x9 size, I believe. I will leave the exact link, but they do have a ton of different sizes, smaller and bigger, and they also have different prints and colors as well. So definitely recommend this. Now I'm going to start rearranging the furniture, and this was a little bit difficult just because I didn't know exactly where and how things were going to fit. So thankfully my vision came to life and everything fit fairly well. So once I have got my table in place, it is time to move over the infamous egg chair. I have gotten so many questions on this as well, and I hope that you guys are able to snag this in your area. It has been sold out online for a while, but I was able to snag the last one in my city. Believe it or not, this is actually from Walmart. It is by the brand Better Homes and Gardens. I am going to take my Chom Chom because you know I absolutely love this tool so much, if you've watched any of my other videos, to just get some excess dog hair off because I had been using it a little while before I went ahead and did this whole makeover. I absolutely love it. It was the best money spent. It has been so amazing and so comfortable. I did get this for $297 as opposed to at Target, it is $500. So such a better deal. I have seen that Big Lots has one and Sam's Club also has one as well. So if you guys are looking for a cheaper option, you can definitely find cheaper options. I would not pay $500 personally for the Target one, but that is just my opinion. I just added this cute little plant from Home Goods. I feel like it totally tied in this whole entire area. I really love the way that it looks. If you guys were wondering, I did move my grill as well over to my fence area. I had a feeling I would get some questions, so I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know that. For the front door area, I didn't do too much, but I added this cute potted plant that I got from Home Goods as well. And then I'm just going to put down my buffalo check rug that I got from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if they have this in stock anymore, but if they do, I will link it for you. I did also get my home rug from Hobby Lobby as well, so not much different, but I like the way that it turned out. So here's the finished product of how my patio makeover turned out. I am so happy with it, and it's my favorite area to hang out in now, especially having friends over and summertime upon us. I'm just so happy that I have a cute little area to hang out with my friends in and just kind of enjoy the outdoors, especially with everything that's going on. There's not a ton of other things to do, so I spend a lot of my time outside, and this just makes me so happy. So I would absolutely love to hear what your thoughts are of how my patio makeover turned out in the comments down below. I love chatting with you guys. If you haven't already followed me over on Instagram, please do so. I will be posting a ton of pictures of my patio area now that I have revealed the makeover to you guys. I did also add this cute little snuggle pillow from the Dollar Spot at Target. I have actually changed the pillows already on this egg chair because I found some cuter ones that go with my decor a little bit better. So make sure to stay tuned on my Instagram. I wanted to give you guys a closer view of this rug as well. I hope you can see the texture a little bit better. But again, super great for any weather. It's definitely weatherproof, which I love. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.